Good morning. I am Moichi Piruata Yuan, and my topic is logic statements and quantifiers. Logic statement and quantifier. A logic statement is one which is either true or false but not both. A quantifier tells which elements in the universe satisfy the statement. What is logic statement? Anything that lets us infer a new fact about something mathematics from given information is a logical statement. Every language contains different types of sentences, such as statements, questions, and command. Example of logic statement. Is this test today? Is a question. Go get the newspaper is a command. This is a nice car is an opinion. Denver is the capital. Colorado is a statement of fact. That is the example of logic statement. Statement. A statement is a declarative sentence that is either true or false but not both. A statement is sometimes called a proposition. Example of quantifiers. I saw few people in the program. Jack has many friends. There was a lot of people in the concert. A quantifier is a word used before a noun to describe quantity. These are few, many, a lot of, and etc. That's all. Thank you.